So where do I get my tools and resources when I can't get out in the bush and I need something in a pinch? Let me show you my secret place, my secret spot where I get all the resources I need when time is of the essence. So I'm on my way to my secret hammerstone spot where I source a lot of my hammerstones. The only thing you got to do is drive to get there, or you could bike or walk. Either way, it'll be an adventure. Yeah, I'm hoping to grab a couple new flats. My pink one is kind of wearing down and nothing, it's starting to break up. A couple good abraders, and then I need a couple good kind of egg-shaped sort of hammerstones. But I will say, if you live near a city or any sort of suburban area, you will have this location available to you. This is a big time share. Can't believe I'm doing it, but I am. Green light. All right, we are pulling up. We are at the Rock Yard, the hidden gem of all places to source and pick your hammerstones. All right, I'm gonna hop into the sales office and see if they will let me maybe grab a bucket, half a bucket of some of the ideal hammerstones. Good news, crew said it was good to go. I'm gonna take this bucket, fill it up with some rocks, and I'll walk you through exactly what I'm looking for hammerstones. Well, first things first, this is where you can see the different samples of rock. Foothills River rock, well, that looks like a good little abrader. Glacier White River, you got all the different samples, so you can kind of see exactly what it is you want to use, and then you can go to the different bins and kind of sort through the stuff that you need. These are broken up, some good flats like that right there. Nice grainy flat, that's going in the bucket. Some granites, some big pieces. I stick to those little kind of local river cobbles. Good grain on that. Oh, I like that. That's got a sweet little hold. Let's use this guy. I'll walk right over here. This is also a good time to look for, oh, look at that one. That right there. Oh, that's perfect. That is a good flat. That one going in the bucket. What else are we looking at? You can almost just stand in one place and look and find everything that you would need. This is not a bad opportunity to source out some potential axes that you could polish out. This one's kind of got a crack running through there, no go. These are some of those irregular shaped white glacial wash. They're not as smooth, but they got some funky faces that could be of benefit. I don't dig through too much of it. I just kind of see what I can see. If it looks promising, go for it. But axes, adzes, anything you could polish, hammerstones, bearing blocks. Ooh, here we go. Kind of like that one though. That's not bad. Look at them all. Every one of those is an option. This is where you can be a little bit picky. I like that long one. That's a good one. It's good flat. That one right there. I like that one. Nice little shape, good on the hands. Into the bucket. There's a couple up here. That's a good one. I like this one buried in the dirt. I'll take that one. Yeah, right there. Look at that. Good grain to that. That's a big abrader. I'm gonna go over to where that sandstone is, see if there's any small broken pieces that I could take as abraders as well. Yeah, that's sandstone. That's great stuff. Toss them in the bucket. That one right there. That's the one I want. Yeah, we'll throw that in there. That's a good haul. Sandstone, a couple good flats, some big punches, a couple egg shapes. I'm back. I got the rocks. So, yeah, I took one piece of broken sandstone and just those.
Yep, you are good to have those.
All right, so here's the deal.
The mountains today.
I'll take these for free, but you guys gotta let me come back and bring you some of the stone tools and some of the stuff that I make.
We'll agree to that.
We'll call it a fair trade.
I like that.
All right.
I want a little knife.
You want a little knife?
Yeah.
What do you want?
I'll take whatever.
All right. Give me like a week,
Okay.
8 days, I'll be back.
We want to see the bruise on your leg.
All right, thanks guys.
You have a good weekend.
You have a good one too. All right, that is it. Good materials, no cost, just a couple knives to bring back to the employees here. Thank you, Pioneer Sand Company. Let's get back to the shop. Let's get back home and we'll test these bad boys out. Success, for sure. I'm pumped. I've got my sandstone piece, but the one thing I'm gonna do with this is, there's one abrader. Let's get myself, there's two. Actually, let's get one more small one. There we go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. These are great. These are just, you can see that grain, you can see that sand, you can see my target stone scratching this. I've got the whole lateral edge. There's some good life right here. This is exactly what I want. But with that, let's see. There's one of those flats. There's this one. Yeah, that's good. Not bad. Lots of good flats. Add that to the bunch. Some of these are a little elongated hammer stones. They work really well for just punching. All the weight is stacked behind. It's not spread out in the front, so you can really just kind of, especially on these wavy edges, remove those flakes. Yeah, look at that. Probably have a leg pad on, but yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's money. Look at that. Great flake, great flat, nice and big, nice in proportion. That flake just tapers off like you're using a soft billet. Beautiful. I just got some just kind of regular egg-shaped hammer stones. Can't have enough of these. I go through them left and right. They break down, they wear down, but welcome home, boys. Where's that abrader? Better. Let's give it a few. Hello, friend. Hello. That's a cool flake. It's a future fish hook. I like it. This could be the one I've been searching for quite some time to replace the old pink lady. That's it. Those are hammer stones. That's where I get my, when I'm in a pinch or I just can't get to a river system, or where I can find a bunch of river cobbles and ultimately use those. Any sort of town, if you're within 100 miles, 50 miles of a town, you're gonna have a nursery that you can buy plants and often rocks. You're gonna have gravel and rock yards where you can find those kind of ideal landscaping stones that will serve as those hammer stones. Not every place will give them to you free, but it's always good to have 10, 15, 20 bucks in your pocket, pay somebody for the stones, or do what I'm gonna do, give them a couple cool knives, a couple cool arrow points, show your appreciation. Ugh. It's definitely hot. All right, that is some urban resource collection when it comes to napping. Appreciate you watching.